Hello everyone. Today, I will teach you to debug the cambered ultrasonic mold. The cambered surface is not as easy to adjust as the flat mold. Our first step is to install the mold. Fill the mold like this. To the right is tight. Just turn it up like this. After adjustment, lock it tightly, and then hit it to the right. This can't be brute force. Take it slowly in this place. It's completely tight now. Then we loosen the horizontal screw. Loosen the horizontal screw and put it in the right position. This can be turned 360 degrees. But we have a locating pin, and after turning 360 degrees, we can't turn anymore. Then we adjust the mode and put it into manual mode. After using the manual mode, press the die down. After putting down, loosen all the horizontal screws. Now put the bottom die on. Loosen the handle and shake up the upper mold. Align the cambered surfaces of the upper and lower mold. Shake down the upper mold after alignment. Vertical alignment is possible because the horizontal screws are loose, can be automatically corrected. Press the two handles tightly after adjustment. After pressing it tightly, clap it right and left. After pressing, lock the horizontal screws at the same time. Because our flange is tapered and semi-curved. If you push this way, the other side will tilt. So we must lock the two horizontal screws at the same time, front, back, left and right. Now we're done adjusting the mold. Lock the second handle tightly. This handle is elastic. If the force is not good, you can pull the handle at will. After leveling, we start to lock the pressure plate. Such a press plate is used. And a movable screw is used to hold the tabletop. Find the corresponding screw hole for the screw that can move. Same on the other side. Continue to lock both sides with a tool. That's it. Then we look at the air pressure. The air pressure is usually 4 to 5 kilograms. Adjust according to the product size. Some products are relatively small and easy to press out of shape, so they are adjusted to 2 or 3 kilograms. This is to adjust the speed of descent. Now let's adjust the parameters. This is a time pattern. First look at the amplitude. This product is not big, and the ultrasonic line is not high. So we adjust the amplitude to 35. The amplitude is determined by the product. If your product is relatively large, such as 100 by 200 products, this is a 2600 watts machine. At this time, set the amplitude between 65 and 85, but this product is small. Let's adjust it to 35 to test it first. In addition to the time mode, there is also the energy mode. Just use the time mode as much as possible. Now our delay time is adjusted to 0.6. Use this parameter first, and then adjust it if it doesn't work. Put it on automatic. Now press 1. See. This product is pressed very well. The pressing is very beautiful. So this mode adjustment is very simple. As long as you understand the steps, you can finish it in a few minutes. If our mode is not pressed well, for example, the pressure here is not good. I'm going to press this side down now. I just loosen the horizontal screw on the side in question and tighten it on the other side. The mold will tilt this way. This side will be pressed firmly. If there is a gap on one side and the other side overflows with glue, we can adjust the front and rear horizontal screws in the same way. Therefore, it is not terrible to adjust the mold with cambered surface. As long as you understand these steps, it is absolutely no problem. If you don't understand anything, you can contact me and discuss it with me. We are a team with 20 years of experience in ultrasound technology.